Hello and welcome. Today I want to share with you how to connect your website to Google Search Console. And to do that, we will proceed in 4 steps. The first step, you will need to log in to your WordPress dashboard and install and activate Google Analytics plugins because we will use this method to claim your website properties with Google Search Console. So it is very important first to install and activate your Google Analytics plugins, and second step to connect your website to Google Analytics, and you can do that by using the setup wizard. What you need is a Gmail email address. The third step is to go to Google Search Console, and all the work will be done there. You can just type Google Search Console on your search bar. You find Google Search website where you can go, and we will proceed to get the process. After you go there, as I said, we'll use Google's Analytics as a verification method and validation. So we will do that in 5 process. You need to log into your WordPress dashboard, connect your website to Google Analytics, and third, go to Google Search Console and choose the second method, I mean the URL prefix method, and type your website URL without the prefix www into the URL box. And finally, you will just click on the continue button and choose Google Analytics as the verification method. Why it is very important to do that? There are an impact when you connect your website to Google Analytics and also to Google Search Console. First, that will help your website ranking because when claiming your website to Google Search Console, you are telling Google that a new website has been created, and that give them the ability to crawl your website, and also that will give you an access to your search data. So here is my WordPress dashboard, and as I said, we will first install and activate Google Analytics plugins. So we will go into plugins, then add new. Okay, I will just type the name of the plugins I want to install on the search bar. I want to install Google Analytics, so I type Google Analytics. Okay, here is of the plugins, Google Analytics. I will install, activate. Okay, and boom, it is done. Now I will connect my website to Google Analytics. Okay, when you scroll down, you will see launch the wager. Okay, we will click on this button. Okay, and we will start the setup process. This is a blog and not a business website, so I will choose a publisher and click save and continue. Here I will just click connect montage site. That will take us to the next step where you will need your Gmail email address to connect to it. I will use my email address. Hello. Okay, this action will take us to this page, and here you will need to type your website URL here. You see all this because I have 2 websites connected to Google Analytics. This is why you see all of these. If you don't have already a website connected to Google Analytics using the email address you are using, you will not see data all like this. So what you will need to do is to type your website URL here, okay, without the www, okay. Let's say your website is your website name.com. You must type your website URL without the prefix www, okay, like this. So as I already have a website connected to Google Analytics, I can type my website URL here. What I will do is just to complete connection, okay, and it is done. My website is connected to Google Analytics. So the next step is to install update it. Okay, we will tick it. Okay, and click save and continue. Okay, now I don't need these plugins. I will escape. Okay, and now it is done. I will just click finish setup and exit Wasia. Good. I have my website connected to Google Analytics in this way. Okay, the next step, we will go into Google Search Console and proceed to the ownership properties setup. Okay, so I will type Google Search Console. Okay, here is Google Search Console. Okay, start now. I am on my Google Search Console dashboard. I will just add properties, and we will select the second method, URL prefix method. And what I will do here is to type my website URL, http your healthmycare.com. Make sure your website URL is correct. Your healthmycare.com, and we'll click on continue. Okay, as you can see here, the verification has been done automatically. Do you know why? Because I already connected my website to Google Analytics. So when I click on continue, Google Analytics proceed to the verification automatically. This is a very easy method to do that. Okay, I think I hope this tutorial will be useful to you. You can try to do that. If you have some difficulties for doing that, just leave me a comment, and I will get back to you and help you to do that. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.